Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass AP Psych exam step by step. Begin by learning the exam format and timing so you know what to expect. Prioritize units that appear most often on exam outlines. Build a concise study map with core concepts, landmark studies, and key terminology. Use this map to guide note-taking, practice questions, and timed sections to build confidence leading up to test day. Set a realistic weekly plan that balances reading, notes, and practice problems with active recall and spaced repetition. Choose one reliable review book and the official practice questions to keep your study focused and efficient. Break study blocks into 45 to 90-minute sessions and rotate topics to avoid fatigue. Track progress with simple metrics like percentage correct and time per question to spot weaknesses and adjust your plan quickly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. Life is long and study sessions are long too, so I love durable socks that actually last, a funny little comfort boost during marathon reviews. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Take full-time practice exams to build stamina and refine pacing. Then review every missed question thoroughly. Explain answers aloud or teach a friend to reinforce understanding and memory. Convert patterns of errors into mini lessons that target specific weaknesses like research methods or statistical concepts. Repeat short, focused review sessions for those weak spots, and retest under timed conditions to measure improvement and reduce anxiety before the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.